This is my 2020 bike check. This is my 2020 bike. Fuck. Let's slide right back in. Fuck. I'm about to slide right into my 2020 bike check for y'all. Okay. We are starting in the back end because, yeah, always go from the back. We got this Odyssey tire. We don't know what it's called. I forget. Don't really care.
Yes, sir.
Odyssey rim.
Lighthouse.
Madeira hub. Hydro dipped thing to make it blue.
Nice.
We got this $10 chain, but it's holding up.
She's too tight.
She is. Never. We got this profile seat.
Dude, that's a clean seat.
We got this shadow sprocket that I hydro dipped to match the hubs.
Okay.
We got these. Okay, fucking pause. I forget. Alright, they're Odyssey caliber cranks with hydro dip bolt to match everything. Yes.
Sprocket?
Yeah. Shadow. We got these Rock Bro pedals for mountain bikes, but you know.
So
cool.
Instead of choosing regular pedals, is there a reason you choose these? They're like paper thin. Is there a reason?
They're light and your foot don't move.
Do you like them on tail whips?
I do. Because I wear all pads, so like, yeah, I really don't get hurt.
Okay, because some people are scared of like committing to tail whips.
Yeah, like Jacob.
Shout out Jacob.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so we got the same front wheels back. It's the same. I don't have to go through that.
Notice you have pink nipples now. It's kind of. Well, you had them when we did your wheel unboxing, but.
Yeah, but it pops now.
Yeah.
And we got these Odyssey forks.
They're mine.
Yeah.
He's borrowing.
Because mine are junk.
Yeah.
We got the Madeira stem with, I painted the bolts white so it looks good.
Because they were rust bucket.
Shadow headset, always.
Also my headset.
Yes. Well, the cap.
Yeah.
DK Chamberlain bars.
These are the best bars. Best looking. He does a lot of those. Show him what other move you do with the bars. This guy can do saran wraps.
We got these Cinema clear grips.
So what's with the blue? Are they blue? Clear?
I sprayed spray paint in them to put them on easy, and now it just like kind of matches my whole blue scheme.
Little marble.
Yeah, this one's like really in there.
I mean, you want to get to the main piece of the bike, kind of.
Hyper Indy.
It isn't Hyper Indy.
Shout out to my favorite rider, Logan Martin.
Your inspiration.
Yes.
Anything we forgot? What kind of bottom bracket?
We got, I don't know what kind.
It doesn't matter. Exactly.
It doesn't usually like to spin that much anyway, so.
I mean, you want to do a trick to get out of here?